Hello and welcome. Today, let's talk about creating a home that sparks joy not just for you, but for your wallet too. In this video, we'll explore 13 simple yet powerful hacks to slash your energy bills and make your home a sanctuary of savings. Join me on this journey toward a greener, more economical lifestyle. Let's tidy up our energy consumption together. Before we begin our tidying festival of energy saving, we must first understand where the clutter lies. This means identifying the areas in our homes where energy is being used inefficiently or wasted. An energy audit is like taking inventory of your home's energy consumption. It helps you pinpoint exactly where improvements can be made. Start by examining your appliances. Are they energy efficient? Older models often consume more power than newer energy efficient ones. Check your windows and doors for drafts, which can let in cold air during winter and hot air during summer, making your heating and cooling systems work harder. Feel for cold spots near walls, as these can indicate poor insulation. Look for any areas where energy might be escaping, such as gaps around pipes or electrical outlets. Awareness is the first step towards mindful energy consumption. By understanding where energy is being wasted, you can make informed decisions. Once you know where the energy is being wasted, you can prioritize which areas to address first. You can take steps to tidy up those areas and create a more harmonious flow of energy in your home. This not only saves money, but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. Consider replacing old light bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs, which use less power and last longer. Installing a smart thermostat can also help you manage your home's energy use more effectively, adjusting temperatures based on your schedule and preferences. Imagine wrapping your home in a warm, cozy blanket. That's what proper insulation does. It prevents precious heat from escaping in the winter and cool air from leaking out in the summer. Start by inspecting your attic, walls, and floors. Adding insulation is like giving your home a warm hug, reducing energy waste and increasing comfort. A well-insulated home is a happy home, filled with the joy of comfortable temperatures and lower energy bills. Air leaks are like tiny energy vampires, silently sucking away your hard-earned money. These leaks might seem insignificant, but over time they can add up to a substantial loss. But fear not, sealing these leaks is a simple yet effective way to reclaim your energy savings. By taking a few proactive steps, you can significantly reduce your energy bills. Carefully inspect your windows and doors for any gaps or cracks. These are common areas where energy can escape unnoticed. Use weather stripping or caulk to seal these leaks and prevent energy from escaping. Weather stripping is great for windows, while caulk works wonders on door gaps. Sealing air leaks is like closing the door on energy waste, ensuring that your home remains cozy and energy efficient. This creates a more contained and efficient energy flow in your home, allowing your heating and cooling systems to work less hard. It's about creating a sense of peace, knowing that your energy is being used wisely and that you are not wasting resources, bringing joy to both your wallet and the environment. Not only will you save money, but you'll also reduce your carbon footprint, contributing to a healthier planet. Windows are the eyes of your home, but they can also be major culprits of energy loss. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is like giving your home a pair of energy-saving glasses. Energy-efficient windows have special coatings and designs that reflect heat away from your home in the summer and prevent heat loss in the winter. Imagine enjoying the view from your window without feeling a draft or experiencing extreme temperatures. In today's world, technology can be a powerful ally in our quest for energy efficiency. With the rise of smart home devices, managing your energy consumption has never been easier or more intuitive. Smart thermostats are like the intelligent assistants of your home's heating and cooling system, learning your habits and preferences to optimize energy usage. They can detect when you're home or away and adjust the temperature accordingly, ensuring comfort and efficiency. They can adjust the temperature temperature automatically based on your schedule, ensuring you're not wasting energy when you're away. Imagine coming home to a perfectly cooled or heated house without having to lift a finger. Some models even provide insights into your energy usage, allowing you to track your progress and make informed decisions about your energy consumption. You can see detailed reports and understand which times of day or activities are using the most energy. Embrace the joy of technology and let a smart thermostat bring efficiency and convenience to your home. Not only will you save on energy bills, but you'll also contribute to a greener planet by reducing your carbon footprint. It's a win-win situation for both you and the environment. Let's shed some light on the importance of efficient lighting. Switching to energy-efficient options like LEDs is like upgrading to a brighter, more sustainable future. LED bulbs use significantly less energy than their incandescent counterparts and last much longer. Imagine your home bathed in the warm glow of energy-efficient lighting, knowing that you're saving money and reducing your environmental impact with every bulb. Making the switch to LEDs is a simple yet impactful step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Our appliances play a vital role in our daily lives, but they can also be major energy consumers. When it's time to replace old appliances, consider upgrading to energy-efficient models. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label. They meet strict efficiency guidelines set by the US Environmental Protection Agency. Energy-efficient appliances are designed to use less energy while still providing optimal performance. Choosing energy-efficient appliances is an investment in a more sustainable future. The sun, a radiant source of energy, offers an incredible opportunity to power our homes sustainably. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, reducing your reliance on traditional energy sources and shrinking your carbon footprint. Many governments offer incentives and rebates for homeowners who embrace solar energy, making it a more accessible option. Harnessing solar power is a powerful way to align your lifestyle with your values. Water heating accounts for a significant portion of a home's energy consumption. Start by lowering the temperature of your water heater to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. This is usually sufficient for most households' needs. Insulating your water heater tank is like giving it a cozy sweater, preventing heat loss and reducing the amount of energy needed to maintain the desired temperature. By implementing these simple tips, you can enjoy the comfort of hot water while minimizing energy waste and saving money on your utility bills. Sometimes, the most impactful changes are the simplest ones. Small behavioral adjustments can make a big difference in your energy consumption. Make it a habit to turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug electronics when not in use, and use natural light whenever possible. Use power strips to easily cut off power to multiple devices with a single switch. By incorporating these simple changes into your daily life, you'll be surprised at how much energy and money you can save. Believe it or not, your landscaping can play a role in your home's energy efficiency. Strategically planting trees and shrubs around your home can provide natural shade in the summer, reducing the workload on your cooling system. Deciduous trees, which lose their leaves in the winter, allow sunlight to warm your home during colder months. Landscaping for energy efficiency is about working in harmony with nature to create a more comfortable and sustainable living environment. Your roof plays a crucial role in protecting your home from the elements, but it can also impact your energy efficiency. Consider upgrading to cool roofs, which reflect sunlight and reduce heat absorption. Cool roofs are available in a variety of materials, including reflective shingles, tiles, and coatings. Choosing energy-efficient roofing is an investment in your home's comfort and sustainability. Even if you can't install solar panels on your property, you can still support renewable energy through renewable energy credits, RECs. RECs represent the environmental benefits of 1 megawatt hour, MWH, of electricity, generated from renewable sources. When you purchase RECs, you're supporting the growth of renewable energy and offsetting your own carbon footprint. Exploring RECs is a way to align your values with your energy consumption. Congratulations! You've now discovered 13 powerful hacks to transform your home into an energy-efficient sanctuary. Start implementing these tips today and experience the joy of reduced energy bills and a lighter carbon footprint. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards a more sustainable future. Until next time, happy saving.